guys, welcome to the M Vlog channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new to this channel, please feel free to join the family. There can never be too many people to have fun with. And the reason why you should join is if in particular you're into self-growth or career. I'm really into self-growth, which is why I find all of these different ways that I could possibly make myself better. I have a lot of books, you can see them in the back over there, that are about self-growth. So this video is another one of those where you guys can find out what kind of personality trait you are through a free test online. Now this free test isn't really meant to be free. I feel like they have other options, but I did find it and a way to use it so that it is completely free to you, and I'm going to teach you guys that today so that we can find out what personality trait you are. This is important so that you can either add things to your resume or find new opportunities and explore new opportunities for you that you really didn't consider before. These kinds of tests really shine a light more so on other possibilities. It doesn't mean that this is entirely you, but when I took the test, I felt like it was oddly accurate. When my sister took the test, shout out to my sister who actually found the link, we all found that it was strangely and eerily accurate. Also, my boyfriend took it and he was just like, too good to be true. So I definitely recommend you guys taking it. It is free. It is somewhat quick, but because it's like a test, you kind of have to take it in one sitting, and it is recommended that you take it in one sitting, and it's not very long. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Keirsey.com. So this is the website. I'll also have it down below. And then the next thing that you're going to want to do is click on assessments. So the assessment tab right here. You're going to scroll and your little mouse over to pricing. Click pricing. Now that you're on pricing, you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom. I'll let you guys have some time to do it because I know when I'm watching videos, I tend to pause, so you can go ahead and pause here. Okay, if you are still watching or you're coming back from that pause, you're going to go scroll to the very bottom. Under where it says 1, it's like a 1 with a circle, it says if you're an individual seeking the assessment, you're going to want to click the link that is set there. But before you click it, you're going to want to click it, if you can, onto a new tab so that you can stay on that Keirsey website. It's okay if you already clicked on it, just make sure you go onto another tab and go on Keirsey.com. This is important for the final steps, so just keep going. So now you've clicked on the instructions page. Here it's going to give you everything that you need to know before taking the assessment and the steps that you're going to need to take while taking it. So this is important because it's a mentality in which you're taking the exam. If you put all the answers that you wish that you are, you're probably going to skew the results and you're not really going to get an accurate representation of yourself. So make sure you take the time to take the test. There are some words, and I found myself having to Google them, that you might not understand. So take the time to Google them and take your time with the whole entire test. It took me about 20 minutes or more, so, no rush. At the end, you're going to be asked, or in the beginning, I think, to make an account. Make the account, get your result. If you notice, when you get given the result, you're going to be given also a lot of other products to which to buy from. And that's honestly not what we're going to be doing here. We're going to go back to the main homepage that we started at, Keirsey.com. So if you had that page open on the side, go click on it. And if not, just simply go back to the website, Keirsey.com. Now that you're at the home page of the website, you're going to want to click on the 4 temperaments. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll start seeing that one of your results is there. It's either going to be, the artisan or the idealist. Regardless of what you are, just click on it and have fun exploring. Again, I really like these assessments because I get to know a little bit about myself. I get to talk to other people about it. It seems like this assessment has only really been taken either for students that have taken a course or for, a company, because this is a product given to companies. But take this as a time to really appreciate this free information and grow a little bit. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely something that I love to talk about. Again, self-growth and career, college, all of that stuff is kind of where I pride myself in. So I hope you guys had fun and are able to share this link with your other friends. I'll have the link down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!